Nation YouTube channel. So today we've got we're gonna do some maintenance on a guy that bought his car about a week ago, and he messaged me on Facebook to asking me for some help. So I'm taking him to Niyaaz and I'll be doing an engine flush, love bolts, checking the pickup. But I'll take you through everything. His name's Wayne. You will meet Wayne a bit later on. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. So we have a car shift, Toyota. We're just coming to fit some parts. Yeah, car shift is the guy that normally sorts out all the money, and he knows his part numbers. He knows everything. I've dealt with people already that don't know part numbers and stuff like that, but car shift's the old. So yeah, I'll introduce you to car shift now. I don't know when is he coming. I think he's at the back. So we just at Toyota doing a walkabout here quickly with all this mooi new cars. One day when I'm big. So we just came back from Toyota to buy the filter, the gearbox oil, antifreeze. So we just came back and Niyaaz took off the tappet cover. Doesn't look too bad. So yeah, we just did a flush and took off the sump. So yeah, I'll show you guys the luft bolts now. So this is the luft bolts. Wayne bought this car about a week ago, and there you can see the one on the right is the one that came out, and the one on the left is the one that's gonna go in. So yeah, luft bolts is very important. It's called luft flanges because some of the guys at Toyota, they don't know what it's called. If you ask them for luft bolts, they say they don't stock that. But if you're in Cape Town, South Africa, you go to Rondebosch Toyota, you ask for Kashif. Kashif knows all the 2ZZ parts, part numbers, everything. He will never give you the wrong parts. So just there, focus, and yeah. So there's the oil pan. Oil pan is clean. Niyaaz, it wasn't dirt in it, so there was no sludge in. There's nothing like that. The pickup is clean, so that's fine. But still, if you haven't done this before, I think now's the time. So this is the pickup. The pickup is nice and clean. There wasn't really any sludge or anything like that, but Niyaaz has cleaned it out. So guys, this is oil, right? So we're standing here the whole time and we're thinking this is the engine oil. So I asked Niyaaz, did you drain the gearbox oil? And Niyaaz says yes. And I asked him, so where's the gearbox oil? He said the gearbox oil is in front of you. So I don't know if you guys know, but this is not how gearbox oil is supposed to look. I think this is in here since 2003 when this harness was made. But yeah, important gearbox oil. Look here, that's the gearbox oil, and they throw the engine oil out of that bucket to put it in here, and this is the engine oil. So engine oil, gearbox oil, both not serviced, both not changed. I don't think this gearbox oil was ever changed. Wayne was having an issue with his third gear, and yeah, the third gear was kind of issue. That's Wayne and Aini, yeah. So the third gear was kind of issue, and Wayne contacted me, and I said to him, look, I think this is definitely a gearbox oil, which is what we did now. We bought 5 pints at Toyota, antifreeze, everything. So yeah, we're gonna do some. So this is what we bought at Toyota. We bought plugs. That's the mass airflow cleaner. I'm gonna clean that for him. And then we've got 5 gearbox oil, 5 pints gearbox oil, and the Evelyn 5W40 fully synthetic. So yeah, this car should be back on track soon. We're also checking the CVs now, because the CVs is also an issue. When they bought the car, there was no bolts on, but Niyaaz is gonna sort that out also now for him.
Ja, koffie, ja. Yes, it's a broek. Die jonge broek. Hij is een toppokje met zich. Yes. Wees dan een toppokje. Wat zijn dat? Toppokje, pak hem die man. Lijntjes, man. Lijntjes, man. And yeah, we'll see you guys. Keep well.
Keep well, keep well.
The one luft filter is in here. So that is by the alternator. There's the alternator. The alternator obviously comes loose, belt, all of that. And then, so that's the 2 luft bolts. So you can see there the silver, it's standing out like 2 sore thumbs. And there is a video, we made a video only on where the difference between the 2 luft bolts. So yeah. So guys, this is Wayne's filter. So we just checked the filter. He luckily brought the filter with him, not the filter that he wants. But yeah. So we're just throwing in the gearbox oil quickly. That black gearbox oil of this morning out into the new Toyota gearbox oil. So no fun now, huh? Who's die?
Je kan zo spuit het op nou. Hoe spuit je maken? Nou, de compressor. Zeker niet.
Between 440 and 540 that.
We're almost done. Or coolant. So yeah. That's the owner, Wayne, and this is Heine. Julle ken seker vir hom. Hy's Mr. ATL. So yeah, we'll put all the pictures in and what we all did, and yeah, enjoy guys.
Take me in slow, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind, just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but in the dead of the night.
Oh,